Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that many of us may encounter when trying to install Linux from a bootable USB flash drive. So, the problem we're facing here is that even though we have a bootable ISO of a Linux distribution on our USB stick, the device remains in the ISO 9660 file system, rendering it unwritable post-installation. But fret not, we got a solution to tackle this dilemma. In the solution to our problem, it's important to note that the bootability of the USB stick is not dependent on the ISO 9660 file system itself, but rather on the presence of a traditional MBR boot sector or an EFI system partition alongside the ISO 9660 data. To resolve this, we can create a regular extension 4 file system, or even FAT32, extract the ISO 9660 contents into it, and install a bootloader into the USB stick's MBR. Tools like Rufus can be handy in this process, as they can extract the ISO contents into a more conventional file system, making the USB stick bootable once again. So, to sum it all up, by creating a new file system, transferring the ISO 9660 contents, and installing a bootloader, we can convert our USB flash drive into a writable, bootable device ready for all our Linux installation needs. And there you have it, problem solved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy Linux installing.